So what's so special about Earth? Earth is our home. It's where we have thrived for billions of years. There are countless other planets in our universe, with up to 100 billion in just the Milky Way galaxy alone. So why this one? What is it that makes our planet so seemingly unlike any other? In contrast to other planets, they're either too hot, too cold, too dry, barren, big or small to support life. Others lack an atmosphere, a magnetosphere, or a reliable orbit. Earth itself is just about right in nearly every domain, producing something amazing, life where it never was before. If you consider Earth's place and order alongside its neighboring planets, you would see it's a particularly unique case, as it exists in balance with all the others, with no planetary collisions on the horizon. As you can see, Earth is in the utmost perfect location, or the Goldilocks zone of our solar system. It's far away enough from the sun to sustain liquid water while not being too far to freeze it. Other planets are inhabitable. For instance, Mercury and Venus are positioned too close to the sun. Their surfaces are extremely dry with temperatures ranging to 480 degrees. I'm hoping now you see that the position of the star plays a major role as well. Another vital component of the Earth's makeup is its atmosphere. The atmosphere aids in temperature regulation, keeping us safe. Early in Earth's life, its atmosphere was something similar to Venus or Mars, composing 200 times the carbon dioxide. However, these factors slowly drifted away, leaving us with a unique sequence of favorable conditions. As a volcanically active planet, large volumes of carbon dioxide and ammonia were spit out as the oceans worked to absorb CO2. The sun's ultraviolet rays broke down the remaining ammonia, leaving Earth soaked in nitrogen and hydrogen, providing us with life. As plant life evolved, more carbon dioxide was sifted from the atmosphere, turning into oxygen through photosynthesis. The path was then clear for intelligent life to emerge. The presence of liquid water is undoubtedly another significant feature on Earth, having 71% of our planet's surface covered. From the polar ice caps to steamy glaciers, it can be found anywhere on Earth. Humans and organisms would never be able to survive if it weren't for the water we obtain on our planet, as water is utilized in our cells, organs, and tissues to regulate body temperatures and sustain all biological processes. Though the exact cause for it is up for debate, it's once thought that water and ice first accumulated here through asteroid and meteor impacts when the Earth was young. Thanks again to this particular world hosting the perfect circumstances at the perfect times, water was able to remain, and in time, oceans developed. In contrast to other planets, for instance Uranus and Neptune, they only contain frozen water as they're too far from the sun to have it in a liquid form. Not only does Earth possess water, but it contains just the right amount of it. Not too much to cover everything there is, but more than enough to avoid it turning into a dry and desperate desert. Though the debate on the origins of life still rumbles on, there's really no over-exaggerating how key water is to our planet's history. All of which leads us to Earth's most unique feature of all, life itself. And not only simple, single-celled microbes, but complex and intelligent beings. Given the amount of things that could have turned out differently, it perhaps seems improbable that we're even here in the first place.